Click on the link below to get price. The Domi 10 feet by 10 feet louvered pergola presents itself as an interesting option for those looking to enhance their outdoor spaces. This aluminum structure combines functionality with a modern aesthetic, aiming to provide a versatile area for relaxation and entertainment. At first glance, the Domi pergola stands out due to its sleek design, making it an appealing addition to various outdoor settings, from backyards to patios. Measuring 10 feet by 10 feet, it provides a decent amount of coverage, suitable for a variety of outdoor furnishings such as seating arrangements, dining tables, or even an outdoor lounge area. One of the defining features of this pergola is its adjustable louvered roof. This allows users to modify the amount of sunlight that filters through, offering flexibility depending on the time of day and weather conditions. The ability to open or close the louvers provides a useful option for those who enjoy both sun and shade throughout the day. The galvanized aluminum construction adds to its durability, ensuring that the pergola can withstand various outdoor elements over time. Installation of the Domi pergola may require basic tools and some assembly skills, as it comes with the necessary hardware. It is recommended to follow the provided instructions carefully to ensure a proper setup, which can generally be completed in a few hours with an additional pair of hands to help. Once assembled, the structure stands sturdy and can be anchored down to provide extra stability in windy conditions. In terms of maintenance, the aluminum material is resistant to rust and corrosion, which minimizes the effort required for upkeep. A gentle wash with soap and water is usually sufficient to keep the pergola looking clean and fresh. Overall, the Domi 10 feet by 10 feet louvered pergola offers a thoughtful blend of style and practicality for those wishing to elevate their outdoor experience. Its adjustable features allow for customization based on personal preferences, making it a versatile choice for various outdoor activities. Whether you are hosting a summer gathering or savoring a quiet evening under the stars, this pergola aims to create a comfortable and inviting atmosphere.